In this video, I'll show you how you can get icons in League of Legends. Now, as you can see, I have quite a lot of icons, and the way you can acquire these is by simply, first you can open chests. If you go to your loot right here, you will have some chests sometimes, and you can open them to get icons. Now, the second option is when you play ranked and you get higher level. At the end of the split, you will get the rewards, and in there you can get icons. Now, another thing you can do is you can play the clash tournaments right here. They are hosted pretty often, and if you play these, the more you win, the better rewards. Usually if you win it, you'll get some skins and also some icons. Now, as the last one, if you really want an icon, you can come into the shop right here, go to accessories, and find icons. Just keep in mind that these cost real money. You cannot buy them for blue essence. Maybe there are some. Yeah, you can buy these for the blue essence, but the other ones cost riot points. So those are the ways that you can currently get icons. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.